In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to contact Wrike support. If you've ever needed quick help while working in Wrike, there's a built-in way to reach the right team without leaving your workspace. I'll walk you through it clearly so you know exactly what to expect and how to get the best results. First, log into your Wrike account. Make sure you're signed in with the account that's associated with the workspace you need help with. This ensures the support team can see the right context and provide accurate guidance. If multiple tabs are open, stay in the one where you're actively working so everything looks familiar when you begin. Once you're in, look toward the lower corner of your screen for a small chat-style circle. It usually appears as a round icon at the bottom of the interface, and it's your gateway to Wrike's help channels. When you click that circle, a panel opens right in the app, so you don't have to navigate away from your work. It's designed to be quick and simple, making it easy to describe what you need and get routed correctly. Inside that panel, you'll see two primary options: Contact Sales and Get Support. Choose Contact Sales if you're interested in plans, pricing, licenses, or you'd like a product demo for your team. This route connects you with specialists who can recommend the right setup for your organization and answer purchasing questions clearly. Choose Get Support if you're dealing with a technical issue, a product question, or you need help troubleshooting something in your workspace. This is the best path for resolving errors you're encountering, clarifying how a feature works, or getting tips tailored to your specific setup. After selecting Get Support, you may see guided prompts to describe the issue, and you might interact with an automated assistant first. If your question requires a human touch, you'll be routed to a support expert. For a smoother experience, be ready to briefly describe what you were doing when the issue appeared, what you expected to happen, and what actually happened. If it helps, note the feature or page you were on and any on-screen messages you saw. Avoid sharing private data or passwords. The support team can help without needing sensitive information. That's all there is to it. Log into your account, click the chat circle at the bottom of the screen, then choose Contact Sales or Get Support based on what you need. With these steps, you can reach the right team quickly and keep your work moving forward.